Today we will be unboxing iLife tablet K3801. This is one of the cheap tablets available on the market. This tablet doesn't support 3G or 4G SIM connectivity. You can only connect it through Wi-Fi. And let's start unboxing. The box comes with a plastic shrink on it. Here, this is the front of the box. This is the back side. We will break the security seal. Inside the box, there is the iLife warranty. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. This is the tablet. Underneath the box, we can see a charging cable, the user manual, a cable to connect your USB or any other device, a power brick, also another iLife manual, and some quick guide instructions and a screen guard for the front of the tablet. Let's see the tablet itself. This is a 7-inch tablet. It has a camera in the front and the back, and there is a speaker opening in the bottom. Let's start it. Okay, here we are on the home screen. So we will just unlock the front screen and skip the registration for iLife. Okay, and let's go to the settings and find out about this tablet. Okay, as you can see, this tablet is running Android 6 and the security update is from 2016. The battery, you can see the battery status, and this is the model number. Let's check the specifications of this tablet. Here the tablet has an ARM processor. It is quad core. As we saw earlier, it's an Android 6. It has 13 sensors available. The memory is 1 GB of RAM with 16 GB of storage. This is the display. It's a normal HD display. It has 2 cameras. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below.